Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I'm gonna make a lemon pound cake. And I just realized I'm almost out of Crisco. So I'm gonna substitute butter in the recipe for the Crisco. What you wanna do first is get your pan ready. And I'm gonna grease mine with Crisco. I just barely have enough. You can use spray as well. I just like Crisco better. I think it makes a crispier outer layer of the cake. I am gonna have to use a little bit of spray as well because I am out of Crisco. Let me grab some spray. And you want to do that generously so that the cake will fall out and not stick. Okay, so you want to grease and flour it. And then set it aside. Now, let's go ahead and make the glaze for it first. I'm going to take about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, not quite that, and add some powdered sugar until it is the consistency of Elmer's glue. About like that. Set that aside. Now you're going to need 2 sticks of real butter, which is 1 cup, an 8-ounce cream cheese, at room temperature. You need a 1/2 stick of Crisco if you have it. We're going to substitute butter for this one because I don't have it today. We want to put in 3 cups of white granulated sugar. And then we want to cream that. We're going to crack 5 eggs while that's creaming. I'm going to wash my eggs, give them a rinse because they're fresh. add your eggs in one at a time. Mixing well after each addition. While that's mixing, we're going to sift our flour, just 3 cups. There's 1. 2. I'm about out of flour. 3. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can go ahead and sift that. Let me get the last egg in. We're going to bake this on 325 for 70 minutes, so an hour and 10 minutes. Let me scrape the sides here. And I can go ahead and add in my flavorings, which is going to be 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. I'm going to eyeball mine. There's my lemon. And I'm going to use vanilla bean paste. You can use regular extract. Get that mixed in. Add in the flour just a little bit at a time. Get that mixed in good. Okay. Save that to lick. Now you're going to put this in your pan evenly, shake it down, and then once it's out, you want to flip it out, turn it right side up, and put your lemon glaze on while it's hot. 70 minutes on 325. Lemon pound cake, y'all. Give it a try.